Hey everybody, welcome to the Happy Harvest Homestead. I know it's been so long since I've made a video, so today I'm going to take you along with us as we make our favorite all-purpose herbal healing salve. It works wonderfully to help heal rashes, cuts, burns, and wounds. We started by putting equal parts of all of these herbs into our special wax pot. We put in calendula flower, comfrey leaf, St. John's wort leaf and flower, and plantain leaf. And we used a 1/4 cup to measure all of this. Then we added enough olive oil to fully cover all the herbs. Then, using our homemade double boiler, we heated the oil and herb mixture to between 95 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. We were careful not to let it get too hot because that would damage some of the medicinal properties and make the salve less effective. We set our stove to medium-low heat, though different stoves do better at different temperatures. We let the herbs steep in the hot oil for 30 to 60 minutes, then strained all the plant material out of the oil. And now we have a complete herb-infused oil. We could just stop here and use it like it is, but we wanted the firmer consistency and added healing benefits that adding beeswax would give. So we completed the process of turning this infused oil into a salve. Now, thankfully, we have honey bee hives, so when we harvest honey, we also have the opportunity to harvest honeycomb, strain out the honey, and melt the comb down into beeswax. Then we pour the melted wax into muffin trays and let it cool, so when we make things like this, we have farm-fresh beeswax ready to go in a convenient form. We grated the wax into shreds on our special cheese grater, reserved only for wax. The pot we used is also only for wax. Beeswax tends to get very messy, and we don't want our everyday cooking pots to be affected. So, using our special pot, we heated the oil again and put the wax shreds in to melt. Once the wax was fully melted in, the last step was to pour the completed hot salve into our containers of choice and let it cool and harden. We like using these wide-mouth 8-ounce jars because it's easy to reach in with your hand. And after completing those easy steps, our salve is complete. This is perfect timing for winter because my hands get chapped very easily, and this salve is great for keeping your hands smooth and healthy during winter. Thanks for watching. Hopefully my next video will be sooner than this one was from the last one.